Well, it's a little cold. I thought I'd do a little shop cleaning and show you some of the things I got lying around. Aluminum pattern for a boat bell. A small brass bell. Aluminum eagle pattern. There's the base for my lawn ornament. I was going to use these for ashtrays. Had trouble with it. Electrician. I don't know why, but I never put this on a match plate. I didn't even know I had this still. That's the pattern for my lawn ornament. There's the last part. Actually, I made a base for it, but I never used it. It's probably too thin. Pre-put pieces for flasks. These were ornaments from my truck bed. You know these stake holes in truck beds? They come in about 12 different sizes. Caused that whole project to die. It's half of the pattern. A big piece of aluminum. Oh. I don't know how, but somehow or another I ended up with one. This is fitted for Dodge trucks. There's the pattern. Rare split pattern. I only have 5 or 6 of them. This is a Perco boat bell. I was gonna make the holder for it. Never have. And I'd have no way to chrome it so it would match. If somebody wants this Perco boat bell, let me know. 14-inch Iswas, same thing. Mount it. I don't make these anymore. You can buy one almost identical to it for cheaper. This used to be the pattern for the GS when I was still doing the bigger ones. Another big one. This is a vacuum table for an engraver. I wish I had the engraver. Aluminum bell pattern. I've never cast this particular bell. Half of the pattern. Yeah, it's drilled. Ugh. Weird. It's full of holes. It's a slide table for one of my tools. Car sander. Aluminum chain border. If there's a founderman out there interested, I need to part with this. I ain't never making a piece this big ever again. And a brass alligator that was in a lot of scrap I bought. Just couldn't bring myself to melt it. Oh, here's something special. These are sword belt hardwares for the Masons, I believe, 33rd degree. The company that makes all the swords and stuff sold off their patterns. They probably went to shell casting. A lot of them were up on eBay. They didn't have the Navy sword. I would have bought that one. I got this one because it was like the last one. I'll part with that for sure if there's somebody out there that wants to cast them. Well, that seems to be everything up under here of interest.